So the first thing I have to show you guys right now is the mini high corner Little John litter pan. It says it's perfect for potty training hamsters, gerbils, pet rats, and mice. It's definitely not big enough for rats. It was $2.99 at my local pet store. This is like a dark green, even though it looks kind of blue on here. As you can see, it does come with this twist tie, so if you have a metal bar cage, you can put it in the corner and tie it on so they won't move it. But I won't use that since he's in a bin cage. So hopefully he'll use this. It's about 1 inch high in front and probably about 3.5 inches in back. So there's that. The next thing I got today is just a mineral lick. It's by Super Pet. It's pretty small. I know that Cupcake has a big carrot one, but I hadn't picked one up for my dwarf hamster Kratos yet. So I just picked this up today at my local pet store too. Not sure if he'll use it too much, but it was like 59 cents. So I figured I might as well go ahead and get it. The next couple things I have, I picked up from Walmart. The first thing is just a little food dish. It's like a teal color. I'm sure I already have the videos up, but I just adopted a new dwarf hamster Cheerio. So I was just borrowing that food dish from my roommate, so I went ahead and got a new food dish. This one's really big, which I like because dwarf hamsters usually like to sit in their food while they eat. So he should be able to fit in this nice when he eats. I think it was like $1.27 or so at Walmart. And the next thing I got was just some 2 packs of Cheesy Chews. I got these, I think it was in a hamster haul a little while ago, and my hamsters absolutely loved them. And I needed to get more because my new hamster Cheerio didn't have any. My Walmart usually doesn't carry these, but for some reason I went there today, and they had 4 of them just laying on the shelf. They didn't have a price or anything on them. I went and scanned them, and they were only 75 cents each, which is like half off or so of their regular price. So I have no idea why my Walmart had them, and I have no idea why they were 75 cents each. But if you haven't tried these, I have to definitely recommend them because both of my hamsters don't chew on much, but they chew on these a ton. I did go and pick up another mineral lick from my local pet store. Just because if you saw my last video, you know I got a new dwarf hamster that I adopted. And I just like to make sure that everyone has a mineral lick in their cage. The last 3 items for this video I just got at PetSmart. The first one I got, I've already opened 2 of these. It looks like Ellie's going to help us with this video. The first one I got is Seagrass Twist from Farmer's Market. Savory sun-dried grass snack. They're for rabbits, guinea pigs, chinchilla, and other small animals. I went ahead and got these for my hamsters. You can see they do have them on the back. These were really cheap. They were like $1.50 or so, and I'd seen good things about them. But so far, my hamsters haven't really touched them much. I know I've seen really good things with like guinea pigs, mice, and rabbits that really love these. But my hamsters haven't touched them much. I don't know if it's just mine or if in general hamsters aren't a big fan. Looks like Lucy, my roommate's dog, is going to help too. We have everyone today. The next thing I picked up at PetSmart was a Nutty Stick Ball. I already had one of these for Cupcake, and he tore his apart really fast, as you'll see in his upcoming cage tour. I got this, and I've actually already gave it to Kratos, and he's had it for like a week and hasn't touched it. So I think I'm going to give it to Cheerio and see if he likes it. If not, it will just go to Cupcake, because I know he absolutely loves ripping through them and getting to the peanuts. And the last thing I got at PetSmart, I'm looking forward to trying out, is a new bedding. I got the KT Cleaning Cozy. The reason I got this, it was actually on sale at PetSmart. The bag doesn't look that big, but it actually expands to 55.7 liters, which is about as big as the 60-liter bag of Carefresh Natural I usually get. This was on sale at PetSmart for $13, which is a really good deal. I've heard really good things about this. I am going to be using it on my next cleaning. So if you're interested in how I think this is, leave a comment down below and I'll make a video just talking about different beddings, and I will have my recommendation on this. But like I said, it was only $13 for 55.7 liters. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. So that is it for this haul video. Make sure you subscribe. I do have some videos coming still, like, I know a lot of people are wanting to see my bin cage tours. Those are coming. It's just taking a little while. I have some treats and toys videos coming up. And if you have any suggestions for videos you'd like to see, such as like different types of wheels or different types of bedding, make sure to leave a comment down below and make sure to subscribe up top so you don't miss when those videos come. When I get to 50 subscribers, I'll probably be having my first small giveaway, just like maybe giving away a few like hamster toys or chews. So once again, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that, and I can have that giveaway sooner. So that is it for now.